Okay, so we're back at the Twitch. So here's a paper. There's nothing inside. So I'm going to show you how to make a boat. So just you need a book, clear book, and you have to tear it in half. So you can't see me. Wait. Okay, now you can see. See that? So like it's open. So just we need a paper. I'm gonna show you how to make a boat with some paper, and you need a book. Tear it in the half, just like this. It is in the just like it is in the top. Yeah. So tear it in half. Then take the book away. When you tear it, make sure it's straight line. Then you have to fold the paper. Just like this. This is the paper, and then fold it in here, in the right size, and then fold it. Then it is already done. When you see that this opening part, leave it. Then take this. This is the opening part. Maybe I turn this to here. So then you have to. So here's it. You have to fold it just like this, and a triangle. I'm gonna show you later. You have to just do like that. Not if you do like that, it's okay. Not the straight line. If you do the straight line, it's okay. Then make a triangle just like this. Back as a triangle. Then you have to take this part, throw it in up, just like that. My one is not right. Just like this, and then this one goes to the back. My one is break here. Yeah. Then you can see the excess. So just do like that. You can see this over right here. Yeah, maybe. Wait. You can see. Now clear. Then you can see this. You have to turn into the size. Just like that. Just like that. Nothing on it. You can see here excess. Pull it down and then pull it down. Okay? Then it's done. Then you have to open the part. Open the middle part to just like again. Okay. Oh man. Go. Okay. Then you have to open the part. Open the part of it, and then it's just like a cap. So this is the opening part. So pull it down. Open it and then pull it down, just like that. Open it and then pull it down. So let me check. Maybe not entirely too sure. I'm digging it. Okay. So I can't do, but it's okay. Then you can see these two, right? You can see these two. So pull it in up, just like that. Pull it in up. There should be two triangles, and then this one goes up. I can't do something like that. Maybe is there okay? Okay, this is okay. Then here should be this folding, and then this side should be up. I'm gonna teach you how. So just like this. This is the part. Go this to up. Okay? Just like I'm gonna do it. Just like this. I can't do it yet. So you can see the middle part here. Yeah. So open it and then you have to just like do it again in that hat before here and do like that. So then see here, there is two, yeah. So take this to open it up, and then you can see the book. See, open it up slowly. If you can't, just try to make a name. Sorry. Oh, I teared it. If you can't, just do like that. So just put it in the hair, and then just press it. Okay, then you have to press, and then you can make a book. Now I'm gonna make it again. So let's see. I'm gonna show you again. Take a paper. Now I'm gonna show you. We use the half. So take a paper and you fold off it. Then fold it in half. No, just like this. If you have ruler, so you can do it. If you have ruler, just make it in the line. Okay. Yeah, it's in the line. Then open it up and then use some scissor or with your hand. Just tear it a little bit in the line. Then you do it just like this. Just like this. Do like this. Like this. When you do it, so when you do it, you have to press it up, just like you have a paper, and then you have to do like this. Just like that. So open it up a little bit and then do just like in this is like, okay, how should we do it? Bye. See you guys in the next time. Subscribe me, 50 likes.